Howdy y'all, Chet Garner here, partnering with Texas Department of Transportation's Adopt a Highway program. So a while ago, we put in an application to adopt our very own stretch of Texas highway. I just got back from my local TxDOT office. I got a box of supplies here and a letter that will tell us if we got the stretch of highway we requested or if we're gonna be out by the side of the road cleaning up with the goats. Okay. Moment of truth. Dear Day Tripper volunteers, thank you for helping us keep our state clean by adopting a highway. Your requested stretch of highway has been approved. Thank you. Okay, so now that the fear of goat vengeance has passed, let's take a look inside the box to see what the Adopt a Highway program has given to us so that we can start picking up litter.